30 days. Spanish, Costa Rica. I learned Spanish in 30 days for Costa Rica. So yeah. So let me talk about what I did to learn Spanish in 30 days, right? So basically, what I did in those 30 days was basically, right, I like I memorized like a thousand words, you know. I memorized a thousand words. There was so much. I was like, wow, there's so much. Yeah, yeah. And I didn't even learn the word America, cause um, cause I respect the Spanish people so much. Yeah, basically that, right? I memorized like a thousand words in the span of 30 days. And then I also watched like a bunch. Oh my god, bro. Wait, what? Oh, no, that's a fan. My bad. Like in those 30 days, I learned I memorized a thousand words every single day. I just sat there memorizing like 20 to 30 words and their definitions in English. And then I sat the entire day and all I did was watch YouTube videos in Spanish. And I'm gonna be honest, right? You learn a significant amount, but right, it's not native level, bro. You're not gonna speak like how that dude you met that one time in Florida when you were vacationing spoke Spanish. This is a matter of fact, you know. I know there are many YouTube videos, right, on learning Spanish in 30 days in 30 days, right? But they're all fake, bro. They don't make no they're all fake, bro. They don't really they don't explain how much Spanish they learned. They just say, oh, I learned Spanish. Yeah, even I learned Spanish in 30 days, but it's not the same thing. Because you know why? Because I barely speak any Spanish even after these 30 days. Because you just can't learn a language in 30 days. But but why am I making this video then? Well, what I'm saying is that you can learn a significant amount of Spanish in 30 days, right? But it's just that you're not gonna be a Spanish speaker by the end of the 30 days. So next, bro, my first conversation there, right? So when I went to Costa Rica, I was at the ice cream shop, right? And I was speaking Spanish. I went and ordered in like full confidence. I was like, yo quiero una chocolate ice cream, okay? But I kid you not, right? She said something back. I swear to God, I did not understand shit. And all she said was, what kind of cone do you want? And the words that I knew all those words, right? Like calcium or something, they cone or something, right? And it was written on like the word for cone was written on thing, but I just didn't get it. That's just the reality. Like the first conversation that you have, especially with like Spanish speakers, you just choke up, bro. Sometimes you just choke, you know, and you just gotta call it dubs and then luckily my dad speaks Spanish, so he got the work done. And yeah, that's it. So let's say my takeaway from it, right? 30 days, you can't learn Spanish fully, but you can learn a significant amount of Spanish in 30 days by just memorizing like the 1,000 most common words in Spanish, and basically just watch a bunch of YouTube videos in Spanish. That's called comprehensible input, and to make that input comprehensible, you need to have a little bit of Spanish knowledge to comprehend it, right? So that's it, bro.